Good afternoon, students. Have you finished your prayer? Please say the prayer. Yeah. நான் ஒரு நல்லாசிரியர். நான் உங்களுக்கு தாயாகவும் தந்தையாகவும் இருந்து முறையாக அன்போடு கல்வியை போதிப்பேன். நான் ஒரு நல்லாசிரியர். நான் உங்களுக்கு தாயாகவும் தந்தையாகவும் இருந்து முறையாக அன்போடு கல்வியை போதிப்பேன். நான் ஒரு நல்லாசிரியர். நான் உங்களுக்கு தாயாகவும் தந்தையாகவும் இருந்து முறையாக அன்போடு கல்வியை போதிப்பேன். Okay, students, take your social science book. Take page number 4. We will move to the next topic, the causes, course and results of the World War I. In that we will see about causes detailedly today. Okay, ma? Can you remember what we discussed yesterday? You tell one by one. Yeah, just we saw about the introduction and the scramble for colonies. So why the European powers have competition for capturing the colonies, and then about great powers of Europe. So what are the great powers that exist in Europe of the time? Then how Japan emerged as the strongest country in East Asia. Then finally about colonialism policy in Africa and Asia. So the colonialism policy followed by Europeans in Asia and Africa. We saw about it detailedly. Today we will see about the causes of World War I. European alliances and counter alliances. In 1900, the five of European great powers divided into two armed camps, that is two military camps. One was called as Central Powers, so which includes Germany, Austria-Hungary, then Italy. So under the guidance of Bismarck. Do you know who was Bismarck? Yeah, he was the person who unified Germany. Yes, initially Germany was split into many small states, but Bismarck was the person who unified the Germany. So under his guidance, these countries formed an alliance called as Triple Alliance in the year 1882. Okay, va? Then the understanding between Germany and Austria was they would help each other. So as per this alliance, so Germany and Austria would help each other. The other camp consisted of France and Russia. Their alliance was formed in the year 1894. Yeah. So their understanding was they should help each other if Germany attacked either of them. Yeah, so one camp consists of Central Powers, includes Germany, Austria-Hungary, then Italy. Then other camp consists of France and Russia. Yeah. The only isolated country, powerful country of that time in Europe was Britain. So Britain, what she did means, she want to break her isolation. She want to join initially with Germany. So she approached Germany twice, but it resulted failure. So she did not expect the result what she want. Okay, so then if you take Japan, she was hostile towards Russia. So already Japan, Russia had some boundary issues, some problems with each other. Okay, so Japan could not made an alliance with Russia and also with France, because France was in alliance with Russia. Already they formed alliance in the year 1894. So Japan, what she did means, she preferred to ally with Britain, so which was isolated. Yeah. So the Anglo-Japanese alliance made France to change her thought, and she also want to make alliance with Britain. Yeah, so because she had some colonial disputes, she had some problem in Morocco. So Morocco, which is in the north western part of Africa, was occupied by France, but it was opposed by some other European powers, especially by Germany. But Britain supported her. Yeah. So what she did means, so France made an alliance with Britain. At the same time, so France gave British a free hand in the occupation of Egypt. So there was some understanding between France and Britain. So France occupation of Morocco was supported by Britain. At the same time, so Britain occupation of Egypt was supported by France. So they came to an understanding. So thus now they formed an agreement called as Entente Cordiale. So France alliance with Britain was called as Entente Cordiale. It was formed in the year 1904. Then Britain agreement with Russia. So Russia and Britain came to an agreement in partitioning Persia, Afghanistan and Tibet. So finally the Triple Entente consists of Britain, France and Russia. So now the two armed camp. So one is Central Powers, which consists of Austria-Hungary, Italy, then Germany, then Triple Entente. So Britain, France, Russia. So now Europe was divided into two armed camps. So this map shows the Triple Alliance, which was formed in the year 1882. So the red color denotes Germany, Austria-Hungary, Italy. They formed their alliance in the year 1882. They promised to defend each other if either were attacked. European alliance in World War I. It was in the situation 1914. So now you see Italy break her alliance with Central Powers and she joined Allied Powers. So why she joined Allied Powers? We will see later. European alliance in World War I. It was in the situation 1914. So now you see Italy break her alliance with Central Powers and she joined Allied Powers. So why she joined Allied Powers? We will see later. World in World War I, 1914 to 1918. So the world is divided into two military groups. So one consists of Central Powers and another consists of Allied Powers. So this green color denotes the Allied Powers. So Allied Powers and their allied nations and that is their controlled nations. So India was marked as Allied Powers because India was under the control of British Empire. So it was marked as Allied country. Then Central Powers, that orange color denotes the Central Powers. Okay, va? Violent form of nationalism. So nationalism means thinking their country as more best. Thinking their country as best. But if it go violent means it was not good for another country. So there was a feeling, that is there was an attitude, that is my country right or wrong, I will support it. So this type of nationalism was developed which gave threaten, so which produced threaten to other countries. Then so this was called as jingoism in England. So jingoism means, what do you mean by jingoism? Can you tell? Jingoism means blind patriotism, especially in the pursuit of aggressive foreign policy. Then chauvinism, it was followed in France. It means extreme patriotism. So jingoism means blind patriotism. Then chauvinism means extreme patriotism. Then Kultur, so followed in Germany. So Kultur means thinking highly of German civilization and culture. So German people thought their civilization, their culture was more better than any other country culture. So this type of militant form of nationalism was developed. So every country, every nationalist thought their country only best, other countries were not best. So this type of violent form of nationalism were developed. Aggressive attitude of German emperor. So during that time the emperor of Germany was Kaiser Wilhelm II. Okay, so Kaiser, so it was derived from the word Caesar. So have you heard about Julius Caesar? It means so that Germany would be leader of the world. So in order to increase her strength, she expanded the German navy. So why she increased the power of navy? Because so she was considered as the preserve of England. So after Napoleon defeated Trafalgar in the 1805, so sea was preserved only for England. So it was thought, so in sea England was the supreme power. So in order to break that, Kaiser Wilhelm II increased the military strength. Okay, especially he increased the navy power. So Germans such step of increasing navy was opposed, was not liked by Britain. So she thought, so Germany is increasing her military strength, especially the navy power was only against her. So this competition of increasing the naval power between Britain and France resulted in the war, and it mainly tensioned the war. Then hostility of France towards Germany. So France and Germany already were world rivals. So already they have problem. So what was the problem? In 1871, so France and Russia had a war. Since that war, so France was defeated and she had to lose the places Alsace and Lorraine to Germany. So this was in the minds of French people. And also the German interference in Morocco. So Morocco was a colonized place of France, but Germany, what she means she wanted to declare Morocco as an international colony, but it was not liked by France. But at the time, so England gave support to Morocco, gave support to France. So that Germany could not do anything. So she left the place. Yeah, so German interference in Morocco was not liked by France. Yeah, so already Germany and France have battle in the year 1871. So Franco-German War, in which France lost Alsace and Lorraine. So this was in the minds of the French people, and in later Morocco was occupied by France, so which was opposed by Germany. So this was also in the minds of French people. So already France and Germany have such problems. Imperial power politics in Balkans. So Balkans. So these are the countries which was controlled by Ottoman Empire. So it was located in the east of Europe. So the southeast of Europe. Yeah. See, in 1908, so there was a revolution. So Young Turk Revolution. Yeah. So in order to form a constitution, the young people of Turkey made some revolution. Yeah. So even though it was defeated, it produced some result. Yeah. So it helped the Austria and Russia to restart their activities in Balkans. Yeah. So Austria and Russia agreed that Austria should annex Bosnia and Herzegovina. So Austria and Russia came to an agreement that Austria should annex Bosnia and Herzegovina, while Russia free to move her warships through Dardanelles and Bosphorus to the Mediterranean Sea. So Dardanelles and Bosphorus, so the two rivers, and also the peninsular region. So Russia can use these peninsular region, Dardanelles and Bosphorus, to move her warships to the Mediterranean. So as per the agreement, Austria announced the annexation of Bosnia and Herzegovina, but it was opposed by Serbia. When Austria announced the annexation of Bosnia and Herzegovina, it was opposed by Serbia. So Germany gave promise to Austria, if Austria attack Serbia, if Russia come to help Serbia, Germany would come to help Austria. Okay, do you understand? If Germany gave promise that if Austria attacked Serbia means, so Russia will come to help Serbia, because Russia and Serbia are allied countries. Yeah. If suppose Russia help Serbia means, Germany would come to help Austria. So this was the promise made by Germany. Yeah. So this enmity between Austria and Serbia led to the outbreak of war in 1914. So this enmity between Serbia and Austria was the reason for the war. So this map shows the Ottoman Empire. So Ottoman Empire at its peak, especially in the year 1900. So this map shows the Ottoman Empire. Balkan Wars. So Turkey was a powerful country. So she was called as Ottoman Empire in the southwest of Europe in 18th century. So in the last map you saw. So it extended over the Balkans, that is from Hungary to Poland. Yeah. So Turkey was the very strong empire in the 18th century. Yeah. But in the 19th century, so the first Greeks began to leave Turkey. Yeah, so first the country to leave Turkey control was Greek. Okay. Then after following Greek, so other countries like Serbia, Bulgaria, Montenegro leave one by one. Okay. But Macedonia, so it consists of mixed population. So can you tell about Macedonia? Yeah, so Macedonia was the place where Alexander the Great was born. So Macedonia once a part of Greece, in which the great Alexander was born. Yeah. Now it had mixed population. That means it consists of many nationalist people. Okay. So in March 1912, so these countries formed a league and attacked Turkey and defeated the Turkish force. This was called as First Balkan War. So it came to an end by the Treaty of London in the year 1913. So in March 1912, so the Balkan countries, Greece, Serbia, Bulgaria, Montenegro, so formed a league called as Balkan League and defeated Turkish force. Yeah, so the First Balkan War came to an end by the Treaty of London. Yeah, so as per the treaty, Albania, a new state, was created, and the Balkans divided Macedonia between them. Yeah, now Turkey was reduced to around Constantinople only. So now Turkey was reduced to Constantinople only, but the division of Macedonia was not satisfied. So was not satisfied by Bulgaria. So what she did means, she attacked Serbia and Greece. Yeah, but the combined army of Serbia and Greece defeated Bulgaria. The Second Balkan War came to an end by the Treaty of Bucharest in the year 1913. European alliances and counter alliances. In 1900, the five of European great powers divided into two armed camps, that is two military camps. One was called as Central Powers, so which includes Germany. So this map shows the Balkan countries. You can see clearly Bosnia, Herzegovina, Slovenia, Croatia, Romania, Bulgaria, Macedonia, Albania, Greece, Moldova. So these are the Balkan countries. So the main countries here are Serbia, Bosnia, Macedonia, Bulgaria, Greece. Immediate cause. The climax to these events in the Balkans occurred in Sarajevo in Bosnia. Okay, on 20th June 1914, the Archduke Franz Ferdinand heir to Franz Joseph, that is the titled emperor. So the future titled emperor was Archduke Franz Ferdinand. So he was supposed to be the future emperor of Austria-Hungary, was assassinated by Princip, a Bosnian Serb. Why the Bosnian Serb assassinated Franz Ferdinand? Because already we saw Austria announced the annexation of Bosnia, which was opposed by Serbia. So when Austria annexed Bosnia, it was strongly opposed by Serbia. So the Bosnian Serb attacked and assassinated Archduke Franz Ferdinand. Yeah. So Austria saw this an opportunity to eliminate Serbia as an independent country. So initially Serbia was independent country. Now Austria demanded that Serbia should be annexed. Yeah. So Germany thought it should strike first. So she declared war on Russia on 1st August because Germany thought Russia would come to help Serbia. So she want to act fast. So she attacked Russia on 1st August. Germany had no quarrel with France, but because of Franco-Russian alliance, the Germany, which was planning a war against both France and Russia, wanted to use the occasion to its advantage. So Germany declared war on Russia on 1st August because so Germany thought Russia would act first. So she wanted to act early. And also already France, Russia had alliance. So she declared war on France also. Then the German violation of Belgian neutrality forced Britain to enter the war. So Britain already they made an alliance with France and Russia. So and also Germany violated Belgian neutrality. That is, so Germany was in situation to declare war. So Britain declared war on Germany also. Thus the war broke out. So this picture shows the association of Franz Ferdinand, so which result in World War I. So this consists of two pictures. So one, the location of Sarajevo, which is in Bosnia and Herzegovina. The another one is the newspaper report about the association of Austria's heir to throne, Franz Ferdinand. Okay students, don't forget to complete your homework. Thank you.